name is Joel, goes also by Jawas Trace or DJ. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to document my journey as a 16 years old day trader. And today I'm just here to break down a trade that I took on SPS long with a profit of 184. And um, I'm also here to document my journey as a prop firm trader because right now I'm currently funded 10k in total, but 5k or that I'm still like doing the challenge, and I'm already funded with 5k already, which is in the process of being funded to me. And today I took a trade on my second perform, which I took a W trade, and I was just here to try to like break it down to y'all, and also y'all can also have an idea of how I trade. And yeah, anyways, let's first of all let me just show the prop firm for y'all. The prop firm, that's the prop firm over here, and that's the trade that I caught today on the account. And when I use fundedpips.com. That's the platform I use currently, and this is my first platform that I'm currently getting funded with. And when I go to my second one, my second platform is my second platform is that's the second platform I'm currently using, and I'm already up like 3%. That's it. So I just wanted y'all to see it before I go through the breakdown. You see, I'm already up 3%. That's the trade I took today. Yep, 153 in total. Anyways, yeah, that's it. Right now, let's jump into the breakdown. Here is my trading view account. I know the candlestick colors kind of look different in here because I think I look more comfortable when I trade with these colors. I don't know why, but I just really love it. Alright, let's jump into it. First of all, what I want y'all to notice is the way I draw my levels on my trading view. Like I don't draw note. I don't want my chart to look too messy. Basically, I love my chart to look simple, clean, and just show the most important stuff. Like right now, we can literally just see that I just draw my support and resistance or supply demand, however you want to call it, and I'll only draw the majors one, and that's it. And do I trade is basically simple. I love to trade based on ranges, like enter based on one while targeting the other or major level. So I just trade between levels basically. And right now, that's here is the trade that I caught today, the SPS trade that I caught today. And let me just break it down real quick. First of all, what really got me looking to buy was, of course, the market was overall bearish, but I caught this counter trade on daily, which is my B minus setup. So I got like three types of setup. I got my A plus, which are the best one. Got my B plus, which are also good, and then got my B setup, which is this setup that I took today. When I go on 4-hour time frame, we literally see market was bullish before, creating high, 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 low, high, high, low, high, high, and market breaking previous high, low, becoming bearish. And once we're at this level that I've drawn, and where previous price was also like rejecting out from, I decided to look for buys to catch it to that lower high before we see the potential lower low. You know, and when we got to that level, when we got to here at that support level, that's what I started looking to buy. What really got me to buy is, first of all, when we go back to the daily time frame, we see the market where was actually dumping for the past like 3 days, and these three candlesticks. So with that momentum, I was like, the market is dumping too much, so we have to see is some sort of like braving or retracement, like some sort of pullback before we see continuation to the downside if it's supposed to continue to the downside. So I was just waiting to see something on the lower time frame, and once we saw that break on 4H time frame, here I started looking to buy. Plus, we were at my major level of support. We saw rejection at that level. We saw exhaustion, which can also be like kind of like we saw momentum kind of fell off. Candlesticks are becoming lower, approaching my major level. Saw rejections, And I also saw that morning star or pardon over there, those three candlestick presented telling me that buyers are actually stepping at that level of support. We also had the RSI, which is super oversold right there, showing us like the sellers were too oversold. We had to retrace. When we go on the 2H time frame, which is the 2 hour time frame, we can also see the rejection. I love the rejection. When I see rejection at my major levels, I actually love it. So after seeing that, I enter. After seeing that rejection over there, and seeing, let me go on 30 minutes. After seeing that those rejection and the momentum falling off, approaching my level, plus the trend line getting break, I plus seeing the trend line getting broken, I decided to enter. After the candle closed above my trend line, seeing the engulfing candlestick at my major level, and seeing the price oversold back in here on the other side. When you look on the other side, we can also see how the price was down here. So I decided to enter after seeing that. And after I entered, few minutes, or not even few minutes, like few hours later, we went profit. So here I took some couple notes to just like kind of like remind me of like confluences I saw, which is oh yeah, the head and shoulder. I also saw a head and shoulder, not a big head and shoulder, but pretty minor head and shoulder that I saw, which was like it's not clear. Let me see, 15 minutes. Yeah, this head and shoulder. We had a left head and right shoulder over here break, and that's when I entered. We had a left head right shoulder, had a engulfing on the H4. Yeah, and we also see how on the daily, this huge bearish candlestick broke my major level, and I was expecting to see like a pullback on my major level with the new daily candle up and retracing to that level before we see a dump, and that's what happened. After the Friday candlestick closed breaking my major level, I was expecting that new Monday candlestick to retrace at my major level before we see continuation to the downside if possible, and that's what I was waiting for. Yeah, guys, I hope you all learned something from it. Yeah, that's basically how I caught this current trade back to with a profit of 184 in total. And if you want me to show you the evidence, I can show you real quick. 1 second. When I go back in, where is it? Yeah, when I go back over here, we can see. When I go back over there, when I click on close position, we can see that today. Let me move my camera real quick. We can see today we made a total of 153. First of all, I took two trades. Yeah, the first trade was a pretty small loss, like a pretty small loss. Took it like a $30 loss, followed by that huge win that we took over here, XPS 500 with 184. If y'all want me to make a video about how I lost $30, just let me know in the comment, and I'm gonna make a little video for y'all. Anyway, that's it. Nice to meet y'all, and yeah, let's get it, bro. This year, gotta do a lot. We're on a big project of actually conquering social media and actually better on ourselves, you know. And if y'all want to see my future new videos, don't forget to follow. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, that's it. Peace out.